Samuel, it's time for bed.
Yes, Mummy. Mummy, the stars are so beautiful, but where's the moon tonight? I can't see the moon.
Well, you can't see the moon in the sky. Perhaps you'll see the moon in your dreams.
Really? Can I see the moon in my dreams?
Of course you can, darling.
Good night. Good night, Mummy.
Good night.
Oh, beautiful stars. Can you take me to see the moon tonight? Hello, Samuel. Get up quickly. What are all those noises? Samuel, get up quickly.
One more time.
Who's talking to me?
Samuel, we are the stars. Hurry up, we'll be late for the party.
The stars? The party? Are you really the stars? Where are you taking me? I'm flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Oh, where are you taking me? Tell me where you are taking me. I'm playing on the clouds, playing on the clouds. Oh, where are you taking me? Tell me where you are taking me. You're playing in the sky, flying on the clouds. We're taking you to the moon to see the beautiful moon.
Hello, stars. Oh, how are you, Miss Pussycat? I'm fine, thank you. Are you going to see the moon? Yes, of course. And this violin is my present for the moon.
Do I need to bring a present to the moon?
Of course. How can you visit the moon without presents?
Can I still see the moon? I haven't got any presents.
Don't worry, Samuel. Let's go. Hey, look! It's Mother Cow over there. Hello, Mother Cow. Where are you going?
To the moon's party, of course.
Mother Cow, what have you got for the moon?
Ooh, take a look at these. I made them all.
Wow, these milk cakes look yummy.
I made them for the moon.
Can I really go to see the moon with no presents?
Don't worry, Samuel. The moon is a kind lady. She doesn't mind it at all. Come on, hurry up. We'll be late. Yes! Hurry up!
Oh, hello, Miss Pussycat.
Hello, Mother Cow. Are you going to the moon's party too?
Yes, we are. Are you going to the moon's party too?
Oh, yes, we are. And we've got some beautiful candies for the moon.
Oh, really? The moon loves candies very much. She'll love your candies.
Your box of milk cakes also looks lovely.
Oh, thank you, Saucer.
Hey, little boy, what have you got for the moon?
I haven't got any present for the moon.
What? No presents? How can you see the moon with no presents?
Perhaps I shouldn't go. I haven't got any presents.
Don't be silly. The moon wants to see you. She doesn't mind it at all. Come on, let's go. The moon doesn't want us to be late. Woo!
Oh boy,
Oh, yeah!
Here we are. We finally reached the moon.
Can I really see the moon?
Yes, Samuel, you are always a good boy. I always want to see you.
kind and beautiful.
Enjoy yourselves, my dear guests.
I hope you like the song.
Thank you, Miss Pussycat. Your music is lovely.
My dearest Moon Lady, here are some milk cakes for you.
The milk cakes look yummy. Thank you, Mother Cow.
My dearest Moon Lady, please try some of our candies. We've made them all for you.
Thank you, Spoon and Saucer. I always love beautiful and colourful candies.
Wow, wow! Samuel, what presents have you got for the moon?
I got a song for you, my dearest Moon Lady.
I see the beautiful moon tonight, and the beautiful moon sees me too. The moon is bright and bright all night. The moon gives us all a sweet, warm smile, and its moonshine makes us all bright and clear.
Thank you, Samuel. What a beautiful song. You are really such a good and lovely boy. I wonder if you can be my son.
I would love to. I think I've got to ask my mother first.
All right, Samuel. Remember to ask your mother. How I would love to have you as my lovely son. Time really flies. I've been out all night. It's time for me to go to bed. Oh, thank you all for coming. Samuel, I hope to see you again tomorrow night.
Good night, Moon. Thank you for the party. It was really fun.
Good night, my dearest Moon Lady.
Good night, Moon Lady. Good night. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.